Let me give shout outs to my Poyoo in the building.
That's what's up.
And then I think my grandmother only TV but Obi Beka Chense Mecha. And then
hey Poyoorians. Hey. Shout out to Poyoorians.
Who else? All the Poyoorians, you should watch out, man. I'm just coming to do something for you people, man.
Let's go. Turn up.
No, DJ, stop.
Stop.
Okay, I just want to do this freestyle before we start.
Okay.
Police they arrest me in advance thinking I'm dealing drugs, but trust me, I'm the dope.
But trust me, I'm the dope.
Arrest me in advance thinking I'm dealing drugs, but trust me, I'm the dope. My SM Kwalawa de basket no biesua, I'm the coke. When you look at me right now, it check like you are provoked. But when I'm doing stand-up comedy, I don't stress too much. Look at my face, I'm the joke.
Buzz.
Good vibe, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me.
And we back with another video. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with KC. Alright guys, so today guys, the topic on alright, so wait, hold on. The topic trending in Zim right now is who's better, Choga or Poyoo? Poyoo? Who's better? That's the topic that's trending right now. Who do you think is better? Come on. If you're from where's Poyoo from? Ghana. If you're from Ghana, if you're from Zim, comment down below. Yeah. Comment who you think is better, and yeah, we're gonna react to both of their latest songs. So we're gonna start off with Poyoo Be Good. And then we'll go to Choga. Yes sir. Alright, so please guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share to at least 5 friends. Just 5 friends. Alright, so without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Yes sir. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Yeah.
Yes sir.
Poyoo, we good. What's good?
Poyoorians worldwide, what's out worldwide, man worldwide.
925 music.
Yes.
Siata no bibedi mu ti se adokono manyaga bakwa ka ho bibere ne ti sa anwa mu amse machada so nanso fam no sikanka ho ofra na fameka ho wa hu ebini atanka ho Poyoo ani apapo ati se mame ani dokono utimi se na no odi wotwe bi kwa di pa no ojimi kakra eye atwa so na wanyi brada ako
Can someone please translate that for us, because we don't understand a thing as he's saying.
Yeah.
Do you understand what he's saying?
No.
Okay.
Good. we good. Seka bese masamamo. Damia be mumma na mo. Mo. Yes mo. Adawaya mami me dawasida. Yes.
Wait. Guys, the guy just hit vocals on you. I don't have vocals, bruh.
Sema samamo. Damia be mumma na mo. Mo. Yes mo.
Think of him in the studio, right? In the studio, in the booth. Mama. And the producer will be like, Mama.
No! Chocomillo! Nido! Piralo! We good. Haters. 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 We good.
Haters. We good. Yeah, guys. Alright, so that's AY Poyoo.
Poyoo.
Alright, so let's get straight to
Choga.
It's a Choga.
Yes, sir.
Alright, Choga. Alright, Choga released another
This one.
a song yesterday, yeah? Alright, so and the Choga Gindimukindi.
Okay.
Alright, so
Let's get straight to
let's get straight to
the
the video. Then we shall compare who we think is.
It's a fun show.
Wait, did you see that?
It's a fun show.
Guys.
It's a fun show. Give a command of one. Skitty dan kindang.
Guys, Choga is wild, guys.
Indicati, whoa, Zukan's indicati, you simple, Rita, Karipanda, Gindimukindi, Magindimukindi, and the Sony who you are, Gindimukindi, as in Asi, Magindimukindi, Gindimukindi, I'm Kundi, Magindimukindi, and the Sony who you are, Gindimukindi, as in Asi, Magindimukindi, Gindimukindi, I'm Kundi, Karanda Kawununda Kutangambuira, Digitate Kurde Udobi Wandino Vanilla. Shinonda kutangunya chinondi nakira.
Don't mess with the swag, bruh.
Okay. That's dripping, eh? Drip.
Arkuchururuka. Arkuchururuka. Tepe akava mdara.
Sikapretine papa ira. Baka kara papa basi kuronga kimende. No shinonda kutangunya chinondi nakira. Sikapretine papa ira. Baka kara papa basi kuronga kimende. Magindimukindi, and the Sony who you are, Gindimukindi, Magindimukindi, I'm Kundi, Magindimukindi, and the Sony who you are, Gindimukindi, Magindimukindi, I'm Kundi. Shindi wona ini and this is spoon feeder. Angoria, Shingezi get baby feeder. Shindi mama I need drink kwa pizza. Tola ye ure sata ne trompi. Tutakuziba kutakengara kurepa kurutenza kutatimbe msanga purutenza makomenze ikosha. Apana katola renzi. Tibrika sidirika igor kadi.
It's about Choga. It's about Choga. Hey, never come out of come GT.
But then I think Vanchoga win.
Vanchoga, but I'm a good.
Are you comparing like
in general, bruh? Very tricky. Hey, I want you guys to comment down below who you think is better, Vanchoga or Poyoo.
Who wins?
Yeah, if you're from Ghana, if you're from Zim, comment down below, guys. Share with a friend. Let's hear what you guys think. You heard the songs, you know the popular songs. So it's up to you guys. But yeah, that's it for the video. That's it for the reaction. I'm a good man. If you haven't checked that video, go check out the reaction on that video. And yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for the reaction. It's your boy Kayzano. Wait, sorry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Say to at least 5 friends. Just 5 friends, guys. We have to know who's better, guys. We have to know who's better. But if you're representing those countries, comment down below right now.
Please, comment down below.
Yeah, it's your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with Kayzy. Yes, sir.
Yeah, hey, hey, Sash, look, good vibe, energy. I don't live what they say, get to me. 2 sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name, ayy. They gon' be calling my name, whoa. They gon'